Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning my bedroom. I have a ton of clean laundry that needs to be folded and put away. My surfaces need a wipe down desperately, and my bedding got in a fight with my 3-year-old and an ice cream sandwich, so we're going to take care of that today too. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.
Hang out with boys on the street, like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold?
Before we get started cleaning, I'm going to put on this foot mask by Aveeno. I think this is a great way to inject some self-care into your cleaning routine. And of course, you know, as mamas, we love to multitask. So I love this foot mask so much. Your feet are so soft afterwards. I'm going to start out by removing all of my bedding and putting it in the wash. I do this first to make sure it is completely washed and thoroughly dried before it is time for me to go to sleep at night. And it's nice to have it done by the time I'm finished cleaning the rest of my room. So once I throw this in the wash, I'm going to fold all of the laundry and put everything away. And then I'm going to wipe down surfaces, vacuum, and remake my bed.
You waste mine, you and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold, you're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your
to you, a lot of that laundry, most of that laundry was clean laundry from when we got back from vacation, which was like 2 weeks ago. So if you ever feel like you are the worst person ever because you have laundry that has been sitting in a certain spot for like a month, don't feel bad, because I think we've all been there.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope.
I have been really loving spraying perfume on myself before I go anywhere lately. It just makes me feel super pretty and put together, but that means I'm in need of some new perfume storage. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section below.
So let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Just gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still
this little travel makeup bag with something else left from vacation, and I am just transferring everything back over to my everyday makeup bag.
27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope. cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to Warren, my granny, Justice, and Crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your step. Get your soul in line, chasing after checks. If you ain't inclined to say what's on your mind, please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why rap sheet the only place we fit it in. Yeah, you can go to court or you go on that court. You do 9 to 5 or you go play a sport. Can't represent the house if you out on that field. If you forget your place, you might turn to Emmett Till. Watch them legislate to execute my brothers that they kill. Got me talking about my problems as a way for me to heal. I went looking for a Beverly when I went to the hills, but I came back with a diamond and a couple dollar bills. Now they got me saying, oh yeah, don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, dark clouds in the air. If you don't know the game, then they ain't playing fair. Still selling false hope to you cause they don't care.
I remember being so naive. Back when life was compared to good weather and palm trees. Back in those days, you were everything that I thought that I need. But then there came a time when you crushed my dreams. You really played me for a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Cause you know they say there's a thin line between love and hate.
Don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, still selling false hope, but you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care.
I have been working out pretty regularly, but that means that my weights are always somewhere random in my room. So if you don't have a weight stand, I think this is a really cool way to stack them so they're all compact and put in one place.
It's the end of the week.
Now I'm going to be using the Sprayway glass cleaner to clean all the mirrors and windows in my room, and my little sidekick is going to help.
But you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations.
There are tons of fingerprints and smudges and little greasy hand marks from when I am in the bathroom and my 3-year-old is trying to break in. So I'm just getting rid of all of those.
Every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11 and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave. So I wonder,
all done vacuuming, I'm going to make my bed. My sheets and pillowcases came out of the dryer, and I'm actually going to be using a different comforter that was in a storage bag, so it is super wrinkled. But I decided that I don't care that it's wrinkled, and the wrinkles are going to fall out anyway, naturally.
Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
I sprayed my comforter and my sheets with the Zara Home Dark Amber Linen Spray. I actually picked it up from Marshall's, and I lit my candle by Bath & Body Works that's almost done, and I am all finished. My room is nice and tidy. It smells amazing, and I am super excited to have all of that clutter gone. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to hit the post notification bell and the like button. It really helps me out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.